Today we have something completely different. When you have things to do like replacing a light bulb or framing a house or even cutting a tree, you need an innovative ladder that can do it all. What we have here is North America's best-selling ladder system. I just genuinely can't wait to show you what it can do. Hi, my name is Femil from fmjrec.com. Smash that like button and let's get right into the video. Alright guys, this is the Little Giant Velocity from the Little Giant ladder system. Let's check what all things this ladder can do, and is this a right ladder that suits your needs? This multi-use ladder system has an inner ladder assembly and two outer ladder assemblies that telescopes over the inner section. The inner and outer assemblies work together with the hinge locks and rock locks. These are the two major locks of this ladder system. The hinge lock helps to change the shape of the ladder and the rock lock to adjust the height of the ladder. Let's see how it can be done. To adjust the position, simply release the hinge lock like this and change the position. It automatically locks in three positions: the storage position, the A-frame position, and in fully extended position. To extend the height of the ladder, simply push the bottom of the rock locks on either side. Push the intersection of the ladder away from you, that allows this outer section to telescope down, giving you a bigger ladder. Now just close this rock lock, and when you get to that next usable rug, it will automatically lock. Same thing on the other side like this. Also make sure both hinge lock and rock locks are fully locked before climbing. This is a super easy and super fast setup, right? Now let us check the real life use of this ladder and how good it is. The first position is the A-frame position. Simply release the hinge lock, move the ladder to A-frame position until it's locked in, and that's it, so easy. We have tested the ladder at its full height A-frame position with two people climbing on both sides. The ladder really held up steady and really do not notice any stability issues, so thumbs up for that. Now let's test the 90-degree position against a wall and the staircase position. For this, push one rock lock and drop this ladder down to the needed position. Lock it back into the place and the setup is ready. We have tested the performance and stability at these both positions and it met our expectations. Now it's time to put the ladder into the real test. Yes, the fully extended position. This is where most ladder system fails. To do this, you have to open the ladder fully using the hinge lock, lay the ladder flat on the ground and then adjust the height using the rock locks. Lock it back, then place its feet against a solid wall. Lift the other end and walk it hand over hand, one rug at a time, until you can lean the ladder against the wall. Then lift the base of the ladder and carefully move it out from the wall until the ladder leans at a 75-degree angle. And also make sure that the wheels are going to be the top of your extension. We have tested this position at two heights, one at a little over half height, then at its fully extended position. On both these positions, the ladder stayed fairly steady. However, it wiggled a bit at its fully extended position. This may make you a bit uneasy, but it was minimal. Almost all extension ladder systems wiggles a little bit at its fully extended position, and this was nothing compared to that. The ladder also can be used as a twin ladder system with the trestle and plank scaffolding system. This helps you to create a work platform with two equal-sized ladders. Okay, let's talk about the uses. Well, it is really silly to explain the uses of a ladder because it has unlimited uses, like climbing up to fixing your roof or cleaning them or even trimming the trees. It can be anything that needs climbing. Finally, transport and storage. For this, simply make the ladder into the storage position. Then roll it with the tip and glide wheels to wherever you need. Now comes the final question. Is this the only best ladder with all the features and formations? Well, we will say no. There are a lot of ladders with a lot more uses and formations compared to this ladder. But there is a problem, it all comes at a huge price. Also, not all are lightweight like this one. Certainly, the weight of the ladder gives you more stability, but when it comes to transportation, it is difficult. So if you are a regular customer, I highly recommend this one. Alright, what do you think about this all-in-one ladder system? Let me know in the comments down below. Also subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification bell to stay up to date with us. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.